We're heading north on Interstate 57. In Illinois, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for a supercell to our northwest that we are planning to intercept. Tornado watch is in effect, along with the severe thunderstorm warning. The low-level flow, low-level rotation, still a bit weak, but I would expect that to increase as time goes on. So we will see what happens. Okay, we are up on a tornadic supercell. Well, at least it was a tornadic supercell. I'm not so sure now. I'm worried that it may have crossed. I'm worried that it may no longer be at the surface. It is still pretty impressive to look at here. There was a lowering just over here to the left. I'm hopeful that this thing did not cross into the cold side, but I am kind of concerned about that. Let me plop over here and get a better look here. Man, this thing is ominous looking. You know, it's just really, really cool. This thing has had a history of producing baseballs. This thing has, yes, dropped baseballs. We may have a possible tornado over here. Wow, we're in the RFD. Oh boy. Oh boy. This thing is vicious. I'm going to try to reposition here. This thing is vicious. Yep, that's a huge tornado. That's a huge tornado right there.